Welcome back to the Circle of Eggs. This morning I'll be doing the second experiment where I'm boiling some eggs. Again, I started with some 3 eggs, just regular tap water and on a pot and start boiling them. So right now we're doing the experiment on the 7 minutes, 8 minutes, and 9 minutes. So if you see yesterday's video, it's I did the 5, 6, and 7. So and I want to see how they look like in terms of trying to do either soft boil or hard boils depending on what you like, and we'll go from there. So 7 minutes are coming up real quickly here. What I'll do is I'll fish them out at the 7 minutes and then the 8 and 9, and I'll open them up and then you can see firsthand how it looks like. And just as the same as yesterday, we use the large brown eggs. These are roughly exactly the same size, but they are roughly the same size. All right. So I got the 7 minutes up, so I'm fishing one out. I'll put it on the shot glasses there. So that was the 7-minute one. Yesterday, if you remember, the 7-minute one, it is really a runny soft boil. Majority of them is cooked, but definitely not the 5 and 6-minute one. So I think today probably it'll be different. Hopefully with the 8 and 9 it'll be definitely more cooked, but we'll see how more cooked they are. All right. So going on the 8-minute mark here, I'll fish them out. I'll fish it out. All right. 8-minute mark. So that's the 8-minute egg. Again, I just used regular tap water, just enough water to cover the eggs, not too much water, or definitely not too little, because you want to make sure that the eggs are all submerged underwater. So we have 20 seconds to go, and once I open it up, we can see how good they are. 6 seconds to go. 5. All right, see, that's the 9-minute mark. So here it is. This is the 9-minute egg. All right, so let me turn off the stove. I'm gonna set this thing down and open each egg, and hopefully they are cooked, or to your liking, I should say. So this is the 7-minute one. I see. All right. Wow, it's definitely a soft-boiled egg. You got this. Let me get a bowl so you can see how runny it is. Yeah, see, it is soft boiled egg, but it's still more on the very runny side, or more on the raw side. So let's do the 8-minute one. Let me pull it back, so you can see this is the 8-minute one. Yeah, this is more like it. So yeah, you think, see, it's all fully cooked on the top. You can see, you can feel they're still tender at the top. All right, so poke through it and see what the inside look like. Yeah, see, this is definitely a good one. I don't see any, barely any of the translucent white, which is good. So you want to get all those white egg cooked, so but you still want to have that runny yolk, right? So all right, that looks promising. Let's do the 9-minute one. Yeah, all right, 9-minute one. Let's see, 9-minute, definitely will be more cooked for sure. You got that extra minute going on, extra minute for cooking. So you can see it's still tender at the top, not as tender as the previous one, of course, logically, because they've been cooked longer. It's been cooked longer. So let me poke to it so and see. Yeah, see, it's still soft, the yellow, and you see the outer casing of the yellow is cooked. So this is a good, I think this is the best, because all the white is cooked for sure thoroughly. Even if I go to the bottom of it, and let me pour it out so that you guys can see. Right, so it's entirely cooked. I don't see any translucent white at all. Right, so this is a good soft boiled egg. So that's it. That's pretty much the key here. It's, starting with just regular temperature, room temperature water, medium sized pan, as long as the water is enough to cover the egg. It's 9 minutes. 9 minutes is the mark. You can see it's all good. So soft boiled egg, white is all cooked. Really good. Let me do the 8-minute one. So this is the 8-minute one. Now let me see if it's it might be the borderline, right, between the 8 and 9. So let me pour it through. Yeah, this is good too. If you like a bit runny, more runny, so 8 is good as well. It looks like I don't see a little bit of the translucent white, but that's so it now down to the preference as far as what you like. This is definitely more runny than the 9-minute one. So I think just the magic number is between 8 and 9. So starting from just the regular temperature, so you just put the eggs on the pot, and then just boil it for 8-9 minutes if you want to get the soft boiled eggs. And for tomorrow, I'll try 9, 10, 11 and see what is the magic time or the magic minute to get to the hard boiled egg. Well, if you like the video, please subscribe. Enjoy talking about eggs, love eggs, and hopefully do the same and have a good day. Talk to you soon.